Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our Arabic class. In this lesson, we will learn how to identify the Arabic consonants in words. That is, we will learn how to identify these Arabic letters when they are written together with other letters. And this lesson is also going to teach us the identification of these letters when they are written at the beginning of any word. So it's going to compare the way these Arabic letters are written when they are written singularly. That is, when they are written without any attachments to any other letters. And also, this lesson will teach us how we pronounce the Arabic consonants without the vowel sound. So, in this lesson, we attach alif to every other Arabic consonant. For example, we have ba attached to alif. So, we say ba alif, ba alif, ba alif. Here we say we have ta attached to alif. So we say ta alif, ta alif, ta alif. Here we have tha attached to alif. So we say tha alif, tha alif, tha alif. Here is jim attached to alif. So we say jim alif, jim alif, jim alif. Here we have ha attached to alif. So we say ha alif, ha alif, ha alif. Here is kha attached to alif. So we say kha alif, kha alif, kha alif. Here is dal attached to alif. So we say da alif, da alif, da alif, dal alif. Here is dhal attached to alif. So we say dhal alif, dha alif, dha alif, dha alif. So we pronounce the first one and the second one together. So here we say it's ra attached to alif. So we say ra alif, ra alif, ra alif. Here is za. Here is zain attached to alif. So we say za alif, za alif, za alif. Here is sin attached to alif. So we say sin alif, sin alif, sin alif. Here is shin attached to alif. So we say shin alif, shin alif. Here is sod attached to alif. So we say sod alif, sod alif, sod alif. Here is dod attached to alif. So we say do alif, dod alif, do alif. Here is to attached to alif. So we say to alif, to alif, to alif. Here is zo attached to alif. So we say zo alif, zo alif, zo alif. Here is ain, ain attached to alif. So we say ain alif, alif, ain alif, ain alif. Ra, here is ghain, ra attached to alif. So we say ra alif, ra alif, ra alif. Here is faf, faf, faf attached to alif. So we say fa alif, fa alif, fa alif. Here is qaf attached to alif. So we say qaf alif, qa alif, qa alif. Here is kaf attached to alif. So we say kaf alif, ka alif, ka alif. Here is lam attached to alif. So we say lam alif, lam alif, lam alif, lam alif. Here is mim attached to alif. So we say mim alif, mim alif, mim alif. Here is nun attached to alif, so we say nun alif, nun alif, nun alif. Here is ha attached to alif, so we say ha alif, ha alif, ha alif. Here is wa, wow, wow attached to alif, so we say wow alif, wow alif, wow alif. Here is yaw attached to alif, so we say yaw alif, yaw alif, yaw alif, yaw alif. So let's see when we attach wow or yaw to these letters, how we pronounce them, because they are very important in Arabic language. Here we have ba together with wow. So we say ba wow, ba wow, ba wow, ba wow, ba wow. Here we say ta wow, ta wow, ta wow. Here we say tha wow, tha wow, tha wow. Here is jim together with wa, so we say jim wa, jim wa, jim wa. Here is ha together with wa, so we say ha wa, ha wow, ha wow. Here is kha together with wow, so we say kha wow, kha wow, kha wow. Here is dal together with wa, so we say dal wa, da wow, da wow. Here is dal together with wa, so we say the wow, the wow, the wow. Here is ra together with wa, so we say ra wow, ra wow, ra wow. Zain together with wa, so we say za wow, za wow, za wow. Here is sin together with wow, so we say sa wow, sa wow, sa wow. Here is shin together with wow, so we say sha wow, sha wow, sha wow, sha wow. Here is sod together with wow, so we say so wow, so wow, so wow, so wow. Here is bird, bird together with wow, so we say bo wow, bo wow, bo wow. Here is po together with wow, so we say bo wow, bo wow, bo wow. Here is the together with wow. So we say the wow, the wow, the wow, the wow. Here is ein together with wow. So we say awa, 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 awa. Here is ra together with wow. So we say ra wow, ra wow, ra wow. Here is fav together with wow. So we say fa wow, fa wow, fa wow, fa wow, fa wow. Here is qaf together with wow. So we say qa wow, qa wow, qa wow, qa wow. Here is kaf together with wow. So we say ka wow, ka wow, ka wow. So here is lam together with wow. So we say la wow, la wow, la wow, la wow. Here is mim together with wow. So we say ma wow, ma wow, ma wow. Here is nun together with wow. So we say na wow, na wow, na wow. Here is how together with wow. So we say ha wow, ha wow, ha wow. Here is wow together with wow. So we say wow, 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 wow. Here is yow together with wow. So we say ya wow, ya wow, ya wow. Let's read these letters together with yow. So we say ba yow, ba yow, ba yow, ba yow, ba yow, ba yow. Here is ta yow, ta yow, ta yow. Here is fa yow, fa yow, fa Fayao, Fayao, Fayao. Here is Jayao, Jayao, Jayao. Here is Haya, Haya, Hayao, Hayao. Here is Khayao, 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 Khayao. Here is Daya, Daya, Daya. Yes, Daya, 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 Daya. Here we have ra and ya, so we say raya, 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 raya. Here is zain and ya, so we say zaya, zaya, zaya. Here is sin and ya, so we say saya, saya, saya. Here is shin and ya, shaya, shaya, shaya. Here is sod and ya, so we say soya, 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 soya. Here is bod and ya, so we say boya, 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 boya. Here is bo and ya, so we say boya, 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 boya. Here is ro and ya, so we say roya, roya, roya. Here is ain and ya, so we say aya, aya, aya. Here is ro and ya, so we say roya, roya, roya. Here is faf and ya, so we say fire, 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 fire. Here is qaf and ya, so we say qaya, qaya, qaya. Here is kaf and ya, so we say kaya, 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 kaya. Here is lam and ya, so we say laya, 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 laya. Here is mim and ya, so we say maya, 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 maya. Here is nun and ya, so we say naya, 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 naya. Here is ha and ya, so we say haya, haya, haya. Here is wow and ya, so we say waya, waya, waya. Here is ya and ya, so we say yaya, 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 yaya. So this video teaches us how to identify and also how to write the Arabic letters when they are written at the beginning of every word. Assalamu alaikum. Till we meet in the next class.